Welcome back, everyone, to XYZ Supply Company, our use case scenario for a roofing, building, and supply company. I have the products pulled up here, and I want a validation rule on the item number so that users only enter an item number that contains 1 through 10 characters, inclusive of only digits and capital letters. Anytime they don't do that, I want to throw an error and direct them to what they do need to do. I have modified the product code field and relabeled it to item number to be in line with company terminology that I'm using. And the item number is what we're validating. Here's the validation rules and the actual error message. Item number must be 1 to 10 characters in length, including only digits and capital letters. Now, when you start a new validation rule, you'll come to a screen that looks very similar to this. Mine, of course, is already filled in. You have your validation rule name, the description. Always make sure you fill in the description field. It will help you in the end. And the actual error message itself in the bottom. In the middle is the heart of the matter, what causes the rule to fire. I am using Regex here. Here is a list of all your functions, and I just want you to be able to get a look at pulling this Regex up and what it does and looks like when you do so. So let's insert it. That's what gets inserted when you press it. Regex is a very fast and efficient way to character match. And what it does is it tests a series of text, in my case the product code, and then the actual test which comes after it. Now, Regex matches here what I want. What I want is something that contains 0 to 9 digits, or 0 through 9 digits, and A through Z. So inclusive of all digits and all capital letters, occurrence of at least 1 and up to and including 10, no more. That's what I want. But the rule fires, I want the rule to fire when that doesn't happen. So when that doesn't happen, that's when I want the rule to fire. If I just had it like this, the rule would fire every time the user inputted what I did want. But I want it to fire when they don't do what I want. So to do that, I slid it all inside a not function. So not when the user does this for this product code field, then this error message fires. So very simply, I've just added a not and slid that regex function right into it, like so. But let's take a look at the actual results. Okay, so let's start a new product. Of course, it's a test product. Let's try capital letters, 9 capital letters, and a single minuscule. That doesn't work. It won't let us do it. How about 1 single lowercase? That doesn't work either. How about, I don't know, something like that? That doesn't work either because those are special characters and I don't want special characters. How about 11 capital B's? That doesn't work. It's one too many. Let's cut one off. Let's see if that works. That does work. Regex is a very powerful, efficient way to get done what you need to do in Salesforce validation. And I know you might be unfamiliar with it, but it's worth your time to take a look and become more familiar with it. It can speed things up for you. It's okay to make some mistakes, get a little money, and learn something along the way. That's why I call this muddy in tech. So I hope you learned something, and I hope to see you back again. If you like this video, please do so, and keep on getting dirty.